Hey guys, I was thinking about something yesterday and I wanted to share it with you. Have you ever noticed that happy people tend to stay happy and sad people tend to stay sad? Well, I was thinking about that yesterday and I was thinking about my good friend Belma. She is so funny, she's smart, she's interesting, she's just a lot of fun to be around. And I was thinking about something the other day that she tends to look for joy. And I don't mean that she's joyful every second of every day. That's not what I mean by that. But I've noticed that she looks for things to find joy in, whether it's laughing along with somebody or telling a funny joke or something funny that happened, or sometimes she'll just make a funny face, just to make you laugh. And it got me thinking about how important that is, right? Like, it seems to me that if a person wants to find joy, they'll find it. If they want to find sadness or anger or depression or any other kind of negativity, they will find it, even going so far sometimes as to create an environment so that they can have that negativity. I was reminded of a verse, one of my favorites actually in the Bible, in Philippians chapter 4 and verse 8. It says, "Finally, brothers, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think on such things." And we can truly find joy if we're really, really looking for it wherever we are. Thanks for joining me on Words of Encouragement, and I'll see you next time.